This video reviews the Trac 4CT cross-trainer assembly procedure. Required tools and hardware. Step 1. Route the wires through the mast beauty ring, then up and out of the top of the mast. Once the wires are routed, insert the mast into the base frame. Step 2. Use a 6mm Allen key to finish securing the mast to the base frame using 4 socket head cap screws and counterbore washers. Then use a 4mm Allen key to secure the set screw into the mast. Step 3. Lubricate the shaft with white lithium grease and then attach the user left handrail. Use a 15mm socket to secure the handlebar to the mast using one M10 by 25mm hex head screw, M10 washer, and handlebar end cap. Step 4. Lubricate the bearing and then use a 19mm socket and a 19mm open-ended wrench to secure the handlebar to the leg using one M12 by 45mm bolt, an M12 nylock nut, and 2 M12 flat washers. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for the user right side. Step 5. Secure the display weldment to the mast using 4 button head screws and washers. Remove the 4 screws securing the display back panel to the rear console shroud. Set the back console shroud into position on the display mount, and then reattach the back panel. Step 6. Connect the wires to the display console as shown. Attach the data cable to the display PCB. Insert the heart rate cable into the heart rate board at the bottom of the display. Insert the C-Safe cable labeled E into the inner receiver on the console back. Insert the C-Safe cable labeled F into the outer receiver on the console back. Insert the yellow ground cable into the blade connector mounted to the inside display frame. Step 7. Use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to attach the console front to the back shroud using 6 screws. Step 8. Move the machine into location, adjust the leveling feet to ensure the equipment is level, and test for functionality.